These are the Fives 3.0 frames, and there are two lenses. I will be showing you how to remove and install both lenses. So to remove, you flip the frame around and you pull both the top and bottom part of the frame and push out the lens. You do the same for the other one. So to install, we need the frame in one hand and the lens in the other. So we always put this side of the lens first, the one that's closest to the ear. So we slide it into its slot and we kind of push a little just to make sure it's secure. And we take these two fingers and this thumb and we kind of push against each other so that way it bends and we're able to push this part of the lens in. So we do the same for this side. This part of the lens goes first because it's closest to the ear. So we kind of slide it in and we make sure it's secure, and then we take the two fingers and the thumb and kind of push, and then you should hear the pop. There we go. And to make sure your lenses are secure, try and move them back and forth. If they don't move, that means you did it properly.